Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comments. This is nice. You can store it inside fridge and be using it small. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare my tomato chili sauce. So this is my tomato. This is the tomato I'm going to use. So here we have scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, beetroot, onion and bell pepper. Here is my cayenne pepper, the dry one, bawa. So join us as how to prepare this. So I've already washed this pepper. So I want to wash this one too. So we add onion on it. beautiful people, here is our tomato chili sauce. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. This is our tomato chili sauce. You can use this to prepare so many food. Thank you for watching. So beautiful people, our tomato chili sauce is ready. So I want to take it down. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comments. This is nice. You can store it inside fridge and be using it small. You can use this to prepare ofada stew. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comments. This is nice. You can use it to prepare different kind of food. It's the aroma of this pepper is nice. Ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper with onion, cayenne pepper, bell pepper. This is the ingredient of this pepper. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.
Come here. I will come here. No, come here. No, come here.